What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix no GPS or GPS signal lost issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down to the end and here tap on system and updates. Now in system and updates tap on software update, and from here update the mobile's software to the latest version if it's not updated. Now after updating the software to the latest version, the GPS issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings one more time and then scroll down and here tap on battery. Now here you will see a performance mode button. So if you have enabled performance mode, then tap on this button to turn it on and turn it off. And after turning off performance mode, it will help you to fix the GPS signal issue. But after turning off this option, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings one last time, scroll down to the end and here tap on system and updates and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset phone and then again tap on this reset phone option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default and everything from your phone will be deleted, including accounts, apps, music, videos, photos, files, everything will be deleted. So tap on this option and after that the GPS issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the no GPS or GPS signal lost issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.